Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, May 13th, 2025, we're analyzing GBPUSD, looking at both the latest news and the chart data to formulate a trading strategy. Recent news suggests the pound sterling has been experiencing volatility due to U.S. economic data and trade policy. We're seeing headlines about soft U.S. inflation data potentially causing the pound to climb, and the possibility that the BO may cut rates before the Federal Reserve, impacting the pound sterling to U.S. dollar pair. Let's jump into the daily chart. As you can see, we've had a period of consolidation, followed by a recent push higher. The price is currently around 1.2584. Looking back to late March and early April of 2024, we see a sharp drop, indicating a previous period of weakness, with subsequent recovery attempts. We can see that the pair has been trading in a wide range since the start of 2024, fluctuating between lows around 1.22 and highs around 1.34. The recent price action suggests a possible breakout attempt. Zooming in on the more recent price action, let's filter the daily chart down to a tighter time range. I'm filtering this daily chart down to 2025 only, starting from January 1st, 2025 until now. We see a clear downtrend from late March 2025, bottoming out in early May and then beginning to consolidate and attempt to push back up. The price action from the last few days suggests an upward trajectory, but let's check other charts to see what the short term may bring. Now, let's switch to the 1-hour chart for a closer look at intraday movements. The recent recovery from the bottom on the daily chart should be visible here also. On the 1-hour chart, we can see more granular price movements. There are support levels around 1.317 and the resistance at approximately 1.333. The pair attempted to break through 1.333 a couple of times without success. You can see how the bounces in the lower timeframe charts correlate with the rise in the one-day chart. Looking for key price levels, if the price breaks above 1.333 with strong volume, it could signal a bullish continuation, potentially targeting 1.34 and higher. However, failure to hold above 1.317 could lead to a test of the 1.31 area. Let's refine this and filter by the last 48 hours or so to see what's happening right now. We can now zoom in on this chart, as it is only showing the last 2 days or so. Here you can see a descending pattern which just recently jumped higher to where the price currently is. However, this looks like it is forming a new resistance level around 1.33, which is the key level to look at right now to determine the trend. Switching to the 15-minute chart, we gain even more detailed insight into the current price action. Here, support seems to be holding around 1.325. However, if the price breaks below that, expect it to be a bearish sign. If it holds above that and continues to move upwards, especially above 1.33, expect bullish patterns to continue. A break below 1.316 would signal a potential bearish reversal, while sustained trading above 1.33 is a very strong bullish signal. If 1.325 fails to act as support, look for potential support at 1.317. In summary, GBPUSD is at a critical juncture. Watch 1.33 closely. Sustained breaks above it could target 1.34. Failure to break or hold above 1.33 puts support at 1.325 to the test, and if it breaks, the next key level is 1.317. The likelihood of reaching 1.34 is moderate, about 60%, contingent on a strong bullish push. Remember to factor in the news and economic data releases when making your trading decisions. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts.